Okay, kusoma ni kuzuri, ni kujitahidi tu na okay, we proceed. Today we start a new lesson which is about the creation of table of contents in Microsoft Word. Last session we learned how to insert autocorrect in Microsoft Word, but before starting our lesson now, we have to understand what is a table of content. Usually a table of content refers to the list of headings in the order in which they appear in the document. So you can set a list of headings which should be part of the table of content. Let us learn how to create a table of content in Microsoft Word. Simple. A table of contents helps in navigating a Word document by providing associated page numbers and a direct link to various headings available on those pages. Here are a few criteria and the steps how to create a table of content in Microsoft Word. Step number 1. Consider a document having different levels of headings. Step number 2. You can insert a table of content anywhere in the document, but the best place is always at the beginning of the document. So bring your insertion point at the beginning of the document and then click the reference tab and the next table of content button, which will display a list of table of contents option. Step number 3. Select any of the displayed option by simply clicking on it. A table of content will be inserted at the selected location. Step number 4. You can select a number of levels of headings in your table of content. If you click on Insert Table of Content option, available on the option menu, then it will give you a dialog box where you can select a number of levels you want to have in your table of content. Here you can turn on or turn off Show Page Numbers option. Once done, click OK button to apply the option. If ready, now if you press Control key and then click over the any link available on the table of content, it will take you directly to the associated page. After that, you have to update the table of content in your Microsoft Word. So when you work on a Word document, then number of pages and their contents keep varying, and accordingly you need to update your table of content. So here are simple steps to update an existing table of content in your Microsoft Word. Step number 1. Consider you already have a table of content as I explained above. Click the reference tab and the next update table button, which will display update table of content dialog box with 2 options as I'm going to tell you here. Step 2. If you want to update just a page number, then select the first option, update page number only, available on the dialog box. But if you want to update a page numbers as well as if there is any changes in the headings, then select the second option, update the entire table, and you will find the table of content updated with all the latest changes. Here are procedures for deletion of a table of contents. Simple steps to delete an existing table of content from your Microsoft Word is as the step number 1, which is about consider you already have a table of content as I explained above. Click the reference tab and the next table of content button, which will display a list of table of contents option along with the remove a table of content option available at the bottom. Step 2, which is the last step on deletion of a table of content. Here you have to click over remove of table of content option to delete an existing table of content. I think you'll be done and your table of content will be deleted permanently. Thank you for listening to me. Welcome at AI Intelligentsia College. You have to